How to contact your Uber ride by phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video I'll show you the way as to how you can contact your Uber ride by the phone number. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to contact our Uber ride by phone number, first after you place an order or after you place your ride order, you will see this kind of interface. Before we get to calling them by phone number, if you want to add any pickup notes, you can tap on the pickup notes option at the bottom, and you have the option to actually send them any type of text, but this is basically an online message, so you have to send them through the Uber app. But if you want to contact them by phone number, then what you have to do is after you place your order, under the pickup notes section you'll find this little phone icon as well. So just tap on the phone icon in order to get in touch with that person's phone number, and after you just tap on that little button, it will take you to a place where it will give you the rider's phone number. Now you could basically go ahead and tap on the free call button from the Uber app to call them, but you can also copy the number and then actually call them offline. And that's all it takes to contact your Uber ride by phone number. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.